during the pandemic, for me it was not very different because as an animator we always work in a small dark place, like far away from everyone until the festival comes. In the challenging time there was also some possibility to think about new ways that we are teaching or that we are giving workshops online, so I think we tried the best, all of us, to reach out in a different way. Today there isn't that many films in this technique, and from the questions that I get after this presentation, I can feel that there is some concern about cost, about the material things, so it's somehow maybe easier for students to think about computer animation first as an easier way, but it isn't that way. I think it is needed that in this kind of digital world that we are living in, that we see some of the materiality and the crafty feeling of the animation that we are, I think, missing from our contemporary media cultures. I would like to highlight the splendid isolation installation that you can see in Porto in the Gallery of Biodiversity. The reason is that it is my very first student work when I discovered how can I tell a story outside of the cinema, and how can I make something last longer and to give an experience, to bring the animation into space and to offer a different storytelling way than what was usual before from the cinema.